In this video, I'm gonna be showing you 11 websites that are gonna pay you daily for whatever you're doing. There's a ton of different stuff. We got a couple different things here. We got 4 more websites here, and we got websites here. I'm talking about websites that'll pay you to watch videos. I'm talking about websites that'll pay you to share links. I'm talking about websites that'll pay you to take pictures. We have a lot of cool stuff. Some of these can be done. These apply to all different countries, okay? So, some of them work in some countries, some of them work in other countries. You can do some of these no matter what age you are, but either way, these are great opportunities to get paid daily, and you can get started online for free. Let's check this out right here. Okay, so the first website is actually my favorite because it gives you a chance to be a secret agent. And this website is called fieldagent.com. And I'm gonna be going over some of these in groups of 3. So Field Agent, we're gonna go over Lime. It's a work at home opportunity. It's not done at your computer, which is interesting. So I'm going to be addressing some of these jobs where you're not just working on your computer, and let me know what you think. And then this one, oopsies, I totally spelled this wrong, but this is called App Trailers, okay? And this is where you watch videos, and we're going to check these out on my computer right here. Let's check them out. So Field Agent, look at this. So, it pays to be a field agent, and it's available on the Apple Store and the Google Store, and you make money. You can get paid via PayPal. You can get paid daily, and you see, you have to complete your agent profile and all this stuff. Now, what you're doing is you're a secret shopper or a mystery shopper. It's actually a field of work, and it's how companies and brands and grocery stores and business owners, brick and mortar business owners, get competitive intelligence. They send people to go into other stores and just kind of look at the merchandise and take pictures. How are things laid out? What new companies, what new products are in, their competitor's store, etc. It gives them intelligence, and what you're doing is you're taking pictures. You're taking pictures of their displays, you're taking pictures of products like this, you're taking pictures of what craft beers other companies are placing in their stores, and big companies pay them for that. So you get money just going in a store and taking pictures. That's it. Now Lime is crazy. It's these scooters that have taken over America. They've taken over other parts of the world. And it's really easy just to rent scooters. You kind of like walk up to these scooters. You take a picture of the scooter, and suddenly it unlocks the scooter, and you can ride it around for like 20 cents an hour or something like that. So it's a great new service that's offered, but the problem with these scooters is that they're just all over the city and they need to be recharged because they're electric. So it's created this new category of jobs for people called juicers. So you could be a lime juicer, and all you have to do is collect these limes, collect these scooters, and you have to take them to a library or your home or a friend's place, plug them in, and charge them up. And that's the job. Now, to become a lime juicer, you want to go in the link in my description, and you'll come across this site that's really hard to read, which says Become a Lime Juicer and start earning with Lime today. And what you'll do is you'll go around cities and you'll pick up these scooters and you'll charge them up. That's it. Really easy. A lot of people, what they do is their friend's pickup truck, and they go take them all to the library or some, public space. They just plug them all in. They get a big extension cord. They blow out circuits. They charge them all up, and they make money. So you make, I think, like $5 to $10 per lime that you juice. So if you collect 20 scooters in a night, you just made $200. So really good business model. Get paid really easily. Now, the next site where you can get paid daily is called App Trailers. And App Trailers is available on Apple and Google Store. And all you have to do is watch trailers of apps. You earn reward points, and you can transfer those reward points into PayPal money. You can transfer it to Amazon money or Starbucks or Google money, whatever you want. You can take those reward points and put them into anything, and you get paid daily. So check this out. You install the app and you watch videos and you get money. That's it. You're not going to become a millionaire doing this if that's what you're hoping for, but you'll learn a little extra. Instead of, just scrolling through the Facebook news feed like, Pavlov's dog, you can actually be watching videos and make some money doing it. Boom. Okay, so let's go on to these next. I'm going to do a group of 4 here so that, I'm just not jumping back and forth between my computer, but this one is called Gig Walk. Okay. Now, GigWalk is sort of like the secret shop, or is you're doing little micro jobs for big companies such as Deloitte or Red Bull or, Paramount Studios or whatever. Sometimes it's surveys, but oftentimes it's you have to go around cities and do little jobs or grab something or do something for somebody else. So you're working for big companies, you're doing little jobs. You might go to a store and take a photo of, a Wells Fargo, or you might do something like that, but you're working for big companies. If you work for GigWalk, you'd be called a GigWalker. Pretty cool. Manifest is a really cool site. It's where you can raise awareness for charities and get paid doing so. So if you have a lot of friends who are like giving money to charities, you can make some money, extra money giving money to charities. Next one is called Scribie. Now with Scribie, if you know another language or if you just know English, you can get paid to either translate or you can get paid to transcribe. Now, transcribe is a fancy word for saying you are writing down the words that people are saying. So like in this video, I might put up a job on Scribie that says, hey, write down every single word I said in this video and I'll pay you money to do it. And number 7 is ClearVoice, okay? So ClearVoice is where you get paid to actually write or post in different companies on places like Facebook or Google or Twitter or on other people's blogs or on forums or just to write articles. Any sort of writing and kind of social posting, they pay you in ClearVoice and you work for big companies. And I'll show you some of those in a second. And we're gonna go over the last bit right after this. We're gonna get to numbers 8, 9, 10, 11, which number 10 is my favorite in how to get paid daily. So check this out. So GigWalk is easy. You can check the links in my description, but you can see GigWalk right here. And what it is you're doing little jobs, okay, for big brands. Now check this out. So some of the brands they work with that you might be doing jobs for, again, this is I think only available in certain major countries, but Red Bull, Crossmark, Wrigley, Frito-Lay, Unilever, these are billion-dollar companies right here that you can do work for, okay? Really exciting stuff. Now, in order to sign up for this, you'll want to either go up here in the top, it says GigWalkers. You'll click on that, or you will scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see a section that says GigWalkers. And they have some of their common questions right there answered as well as that. So you can just click there and you can sign up, get started, learn how it all works, okay? Next is Manifest. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this, but basically you are sharing charity causes. And if people donate, you get paid. Now they haven't paid out that much, but they have paid out money. And if you're already gonna be sharing a charity, why not make money doing it? So they've already paid out their users almost $200,000. So there is some money in sharing good causes, I guess. Scribie is audio transcription, okay? So it's taking videos like this and you're writing down every word. It's kind of boring work. Look at this. It's not that much money. You get paid like 10 cents a minute. Now 10 cents a minute, I don't know if that's a minute per video or whatnot, but if we look at 10 cents per minute times 60 minutes, that's about $6 an hour. So that's all right. $6 an hour for anywhere in the world, like a lot of places in the world, they don't have any money. They don't have any jobs. So this could be a very easy way to earn $6 an hour, okay? ClearVoice is another company where you're working with brands and you are doing, in this case, writing for them. So as you see here, there's, some big companies such as LifeLock, Cabela's, Orkin, etc. And in order to sign up for this, you could click here, join the talent network, okay, right there. Or you can click this button up here, which says talent network, okay? And we go there and it says, take a peek at our talent network, find freelancers. You could just say, I'm gonna click join, but they're looking for freelance writers in all these different categories, okay? So go to our freelance page to get started. And here it is, ClearVoice for freelancers. And what you do is you have to upload your resume, upload a few things, and hopefully get accepted. So go for it. Okay, so let's finish out these jobs where you can get paid daily. There are a lot of options here. If this is crazy how many ways there are to earn money from the internet, just type in the comments crazy, because a lot of people think that earning money online is like, or working for yourself is some magical dream. But what people don't understand is we've just been living under a rock. We've been brainwashed by the fake news media for so many years. We've been brainwashed by the education system for so many years into making us think that the only way to make money is working a job, is being a somebody else's slave. And it's not true. As you see, this internet revolution is happening, and there are so many ways you can earn money working for yourself, or working on your own terms at least. So if that is just kind of blowing your mind, or if it's shifting your paradigms that I grew up with, that everybody grew up with, type in crazy in the comments, because I really believe a revolution is happening, and that is why I'm so passionate about bringing this information to you. You have everything you need. You can work for yourself. You don't need that commute. You don't need that boss. You don't need to dread going to work each day. You can set your own schedule. First site is QMe. So QMe is kind of a mixture of things. You can take surveys and you can get rewarded for shopping. I'll go into that in a second. The next one is being a bird catcher, okay? It's working for a company called Bird. This can pay very well. Again, it requires you to actually live in a city where birds are, mostly the US and Canada. And birds are scooters, by the way, not like actual flying birds. So number 10 is Testing Time, and number 11 is Postloop. And Testing Time is a site where you get paid literally just to browse websites. And what they'll have you do is they'll have you download a software program to allow you to record your screen. And they just want you to usability test, because the fact of the matter is now that there are thousands or tens of thousands of different types of devices people use, different phones, different tablets, different computers, different everything, TVs. People are using the internet everywhere. And oftentimes companies have no idea what their website looks like on a particular device, because there's just too many. There are too many bugs, there are too many glitches. So they use Testing Time. They want to see your stuff going on. And Postloop will go into that. So here we are on QMe. And QMe, it's kind of an annoying site. It blends a lot of different things. It blends surveys, cashback, and affiliate marketing. And see, you can get right here, share your opinion, shop and search, and earn real cash rewards. So again, they will pay you daily, and it says earn cash, not swagger points. So they're big on making you money. Earn money when you share your opinions, which is doing surveys. Earn money when you shop, which is getting cash back on everyday purchases. And what they're not telling you to is, they have a big affiliate program, so you can get money when other people sign up for QMe. Sign up for QMe through my link. It's in the description, right? Let's move onwards. Now, Bird is a scooter company. A lot of people think birds are these animals that fly in the air, but it's actually a scooter company, and they are popular across America. They're all over the place now, and they've gone into electric bikes as well. And as you can see, they're all over America and over Europe now. They've expanded to Europe. Now, the way these bikes and these scooters work is you download the app and you just put your phone over it and it activates, and you can start riding around on the scooter, the bike. Now, once again, just like Lime, they need people to collect these birds, take them to places where there's power or electricity, and charge them back up. And you get paid something like $5 or $10 per bird you charge up, and your title would be you'd be a bird catcher. And you can make pretty good money doing this. I've heard of people making hundreds of dollars a night being a bird catcher, but you got to usually go out at night. Usually it's like after 10 o'clock. You got to charge them, but sometime between like 10 or 11 at night and 5 a.m. in the morning, okay? And what you'll do is you'll charge them, and then you drive them, and you have to put them at particular drop-off locations, where the people ride the birds. So it's pretty cool, though. You can make good money doing it. Bird catcher and lime juicer are probably the best paying jobs. But again, you need to live in America. You can't be in Bangladesh. But I love Bangladesh. Haven't been there, but I have some friends from there. So Testing Time, this is my favorite, because this is something that, I use. And basically you'll be using sites and you'll be taking videos of using other companies' sites, and they need you to become a test user. So you would sign up right here, become a test user, you click that button, follow the instructions, and get started. And last but not least, we have Postloop, which is once again writing content for companies. So as you see, you'll just write articles or social media posts or all different sorts of things for companies that need to be more active on social media. So very easy. You can sign up, you can get started fast and start getting paid today. Yes, that was awesome. 11 different ways you can get paid daily. And let me know in the comments what your favorite method of getting paid daily was. Remember, we have the secret agent, being a field agent or a secret shopper. We've been a lime juicer going around, America charging limes. We have app trailers, which is watching videos and getting paid. We have gig walk, which is doing little jobs, for big companies. Manifest, sharing charity causes. We have Scribby, which is transcribing audio. We have Clear Voice, which is writing stuff for big companies. We have QMe, which is doing surveys and getting cash back. We have being a bird catcher, which is driving around America or Europe and, catching birds. And, we have Testing Time, which is just literally using websites and kind of, narrating, your experience and, what you're doing and if everything makes sense. And then we have Post Loop, which is doing social media posting for different companies that need more social media. So let me know in the comments, what was your favorite method of making money online and getting paid daily? So let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Like this video if you got some content from this. And people, you just learned all these ways to make money. What do I recommend to make money online? And there's only one option. You must be new to this channel because it is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is basically selling products online and earning a commission from the companies who want me to sell their products. And it's posting links. You can do it free, you can do it paid. I have a 6-week course and I have a money club, which you can join. Click that join button. $50 and you get over 40 hours of content. You get 2 times a month where you can talk to me live. I'm an affiliate multimillionaire. You get to have an affiliate or an internet multimillionaire in your network. Talk with me, whatever, on a live stream. And I look forward to chatting with you guys. Remember, drop out of school, quit your job, and take back control of your life. Start working for yourself. Be free. Don't let social media control you. Make sure you control it. Use it to make money online. Work for yourself. Don't listen to the fake news. Turn off your TV and start living life on your own terms. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I look forward to seeing you in the Money Club. I look forward to seeing you in the comments. And I love you. Have a great day. See you later.